Welcome to Canary Wharf NLP community, and just want to thank you all for coming here today. I feel incredibly privileged to be part of our mutual sharing of neuro-linguistic programming. You can access all of the good feelings that come with this future you. See what you see, hear what you hear, really feel the way you feel. Enjoying all of this, that's right. Breathe the way you breathe in this future kind of state. So this is metaphor and imagination. You know, you're in a spaceship, you know, if you're working with young people, children, children more than sort of teenagers, I guess, probably better. This could be, sort of thing could be very useful. But when you're taking a higher perspective is useful if you're doing trauma work, so you're doing change personal history. Maybe do it with your hands, and then keep doing it. And at some point, what happens if you start to do that as a flotation experience? So how would you describe it? Is it relaxing? Or?
That was amazing.
Amazing. Okay, it's amazing feeling.
I was totally flying through space there.
Totally flying. Wow. Okay. My understanding of state is basically the kind of makeup of how you feel in a moment. The kind of signature of what your physiology is, what your focus is, and how this kind of reflects and packages up for you, quite often within a specific context. Ultimately, what Tony Robbins or an NLP coach is doing is showing an elite performer how to access the state, that the resources they already have inside of them, more easily, more of the time, and also how to amplify it, and quite often to connect that with some specific triggers.